everyone, welcome to Bikini Design Club. On today's video, I will be introducing you to our bikini pattern top, Storm. Storm comes with two pattern pieces for your front top. One, it's a very simple pattern with a dart below the bust, and it's a triangle pattern. It's bigger than our bikini pattern top triangle, so if you are in doubt in which of them to buy, this is bigger than the darted bikini, okay? Then the other option for your front piece is actually creating a gather on the lower part. So I created a different pattern piece, so you can choose between the simple triangle or the gathered front. Then we also included flounces, and you can sew the flounce to your bikini following the sew along that I have prepared for you girls. Of course, you can use this bikini with one side with the triangle and the other with the ruche, both with the ruche and one side with flounce and the other without, so you can already imagine how many options you have with this pattern. Then of course the straps go over your shoulders, and on the back they tie a bow or a clasp as you prefer. It's very simple. As always, you have the links to the tutorials on the pattern description, so you can access them very easily visiting our store and then on the pattern description finding the link and pressing there. And I think that's it for today, girls. See you soon. Bye.